Hello, Maday Funny. Happy birthday and retirement day. Oh, it's your turn. Tapos na ako. Magpo 4 years na ba April. Ako lang may sisiring. Enjoy la. Di rin man siring pa. Age is just a number. Anaton lawas. Di rin kita mapalagas. Di kita titikalawas. Akon la siring hai mo. Pero akon, enjoy to the fullest. Di ba? Enjoy. Mintras natugot pat Diyos. O, di ba? Mula iton, ignore the negative ones. Pag-intindi. Enjoy. La kita enjoy to the fullest. God bless. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, Inay Fanny. Anamon, energetic at mahusay nga inay sa PPRD. Happy na birthday pa! Happy birthday sa imo, Inay Fanny. Anakon kasing-kasing nagsasalwa ka sin kalipayan, ngayon na nagasalinurog ka sa imo kaadlawan. Ginaampo ko sa aton Ginoo nga Dios nga padayong kaniyatagan sin maupay nga panlawas ngan halawig nga kinabuhi. Yan aliwat nga adlaw, ang tinikangan sa stage sa imo life where every day is Saturday. Ang bago pa sa kadaman, goodbye tension, hello pension. Agi, damo good ini nga imo oroboson. Sana all. Anyway, hingyap ko nga maripayon ka yan na nga takna. Happy birthday sa imo inay. And congratulations on your retirement. I love you.
Isang maligayang pagbati para sa aming minamahal na ginang Epifania Melchor sa kanyang kaarawan at sa kanyang pagre-retiro. Nawa ay buhusan ka pa ng marami pang pagpapala at pagmamahal mula sa iyong mga afam na nakalista at nakapila ngayon na naghihintay sa'yo sa iba't ibang lupalop ng mundo. Balito na ipan, happy birthday, happy retirement. Welcome to the land of the free and the stressless. I know, damo pat blessings nga imo makakarawat bisan hagawas itong DepEd, bisan pag retire mo na, bisan niya na 65 ka pa kay sugod ka mabinuliganon yan mahigugmaon hangatanan nga imo kilala. So ibabalik itong ginuhay mo mas damo pa nga na maram ako naging damo naton memories sa DepEd pero mas damo pa taton memories yan ang parehas na kita retired sa DepEd. So see you outside, see you in the outside world, and to more libres to come. Damo nga salamat ay mo na Fanny. God bless you. I love you. Mwah.
Nay Fanny, maupay nga Pasko nga bag-o nga tuig amula. Balet, happy retirement hay mo. Sana hiton imo bag-o nga journey na nga ikaw nala waray ka na trabaho. Sana di ka lang manggansilyo, magpadayon ka pahan imo pag maintain hanim ka bata, hot grandma ngahin. Dako nga salamat han imo bulig ha akon, amon nga tanan ha PPRD, regional office, kung diri darahaim an akon una nga pagkada ha regional office diri magiging sugad hit ka meaningful. So thank you so much Nay Fanny, and again good health, God bless, and mabuhay.
Happy retirement, Ma'am Fanny! Congratulations on graduating from deadlines, meetings, and alarm clocks. Now it's time for you to enjoy life. Wake up late, travel more, and enjoy everything except work. We wish you happiness, good health, and endless free time. You will always be part of our office stories. Congratulations and happy retirement, Ma'am Fanny.
Happy retirement, Panyang! Congratulations! Thank you ani mga bulig haakon, ma-official man ng personal. Adapan usala na ko sa imo, sana makabili ka ng apang. Congratulations and happy retirement. Don't worry pan, I will follow you.
Hi, Fanny. Wishing you all the very best in your retirement. May you have a healthy and happy life with your friends and family. God bless you. See you around.
Ma'am Fanny, good day. Uh, First and foremost, I'm really grateful for this chance to send you this message as you step into a very special milestone of your life, your retirement. Truly, you are blessed because not everyone is given the grace to reach this season after years of honest service in the government. Many work hard, but uh, they never get to enjoy this moment. So today is really both a celebration and a thanksgiving. I personally want to thank you for all the support you gave me during my time as the supervisor of the Policy Planning and Research Division. You were always dependable. You were always steady and generous with your time and wisdom every time you give me pieces of advice. And more than your support, I really appreciate your calm presence and your heart for service. And for me, you're not just a colleague, but you were a mother in spirit in the office, especially for all of us, the younger staff at the Policy Planning and Research Division. And so, as you begin this new chapter of your life, I hope you enjoy it fully without any guilt. Spend more time being a loving mother, being a loving grandmother, always cheering, laughing, and making memories with your family and your loved ones. Keep moving and enjoying sports because clearly you're not really getting old. You're aging like a fine wine, and I think it's the reason for that is because of your being active in sports, especially with your especially in tennis, the sports that you really love the most. Your youthful energy and glow are really proof that if we are active, being active, we're will really um, um, get us to be you know young at heart and young at mind. Travel. Um, I wish you have more travel, more time to travel. Stay active, and most of all, take care of yourself the way you've always taken good care of others. Thank you for the many years of your service, especially at the Policy Planning and Research Division. And always remember that your work, your integrity, and your dedicated service to the regional office will definitely leave a mark that will always be remembered after or even after your retirement. I'll end my message with a verse from the this is taken from Numbers chapter 6 verses 24 to 26, and it says, "The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine upon you and be gracious to you." And so, uh, this verse is at the same time my prayer of gratitude and blessing to you. May this next season of your life be filled with peace, with good health, and the joy you truly deserve. You truly deserve. Once again, congratulations, Ma'am Fanny. Enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy every moment of this well-earned season of your life. Always remember that you will always be a family to us. Thank you so much and bless you.